DataRay's Industrial Laser Monitoring System, or ILMS for short, is a specialized profiler for tightly focused high-power beams. Traditionally, these types of lasers have been difficult to characterize. For one, small diameter beams, the accuracy of measurements can be limited by the pixel size of a profiler. Additionally, with high-power lasers, they can damage sensitive profiler components. Here's a render of the Industrial Laser Monitoring System. If we cut away the body of the system, we can see important internal components. As the laser is focused onto the pinhole aperture aids in alignment and protects important internal components. A lens after the pinhole aperture collimates the laser, and then the collimated beam is sent to a dual-wedged attenuator where the majority of the power passes directly through the wedge. A small amount of the power is reflected off of that wedge onto a second wedge. Here, again, the majority of the power passes through that wedge. Both of these transmitted powers exit as two residual beams. The beam is then sent through ND filters to fine-tune attenuation and then refocus onto a camera profiler. The industrial laser monitoring system is flexible, so we can configure it with different lenses, different attenuators, and different profilers. That means we can offer configurations from 190 nanometers all the way up to 16 microns. If you're interested in discussing ILMS configurations, please reach out to our team of beam profiling experts and we're happy to discuss.